Hello everyone, my name is Karan Mehta and I am from Department of Electronics of DJ Sanghi College of Engineering. Today's subject for the practical is Design with Linear Integrated Circuit. The experiment name is Application of Op-Amp as Adder Subtractor and Scaling Amplifier. The professor in charge for our practical is Mayur Parulekar sir. The simulation tool which I am using is LT-Spice. These are the references link. You can download the software from this link and the tutorials are at this link. The links are given below in the description. Now to begin with, let's open the software and do the simulation. After downloading the software and installing, you will get this icon at your desktop. Open the software. This is the main window you will get when you open the software. To open a new file, click on this icon at the top left corner of your window. This is the schematic file where you can draw the schematic. Now I am going to show you how to draw the scaling amplifier using OP07 op-amp, and I am going to show you that using shortcut keys on your keyboard. Now to place the component, press key F2 on your keyboard. You will get the following window. Search for the given component. Click to place the component. We are going to use 2OP07 for our circuit. For zooming, scroll in and scroll out using your mouse. Now to move the component, press key F7. Click on the component and move the component. Now to place the resistor, press key R. Now to rotate the component, press Ctrl R. Now to place the batteries or the power source, again press F2 and search for battery. Now to join the component using wires, press key F3. You will get the following grid to help you draw the wire. I have drawn all the wires required. Now to place the ground component, press key G. Now let's change the value of resistors. So this is the equation which we are using today for the output. So this can be obtained by different values of gain for different values of input. So select the value of feedback resistor such that when divided by the input resistor, you get the following gain. So let's take the value of R6 resistor as 6 kilo ohms. Now to change the value of resistor, put your cursor on the resistor and right click. Now enter the value of resistor. I am going to keep this as my VA source, this as my VB source, and this as my VC source. Now to change the value of this label, put your cursor on the label and right click. Enter the label as VA. Similarly for the other sources. Now as the gain required for the VA source is 2, so the value of this resistor will become 3 kilo ohms. And the gain required for the VB source is 3, so the value of this resistor is 2 kilo ohms. Now for the second feedback resistor, I am going to keep its value as 10 kilo ohm. So the value of resistor R8 becomes 2 kilo ohm for gain of 5, and the value of R7 becomes same, that is 10 kilo ohms. Now op-amp also needs a dual power supply, so we are going to give that. Again to do so, press F2, search for battery. So this is the power supply. Now we are going to short the terminal, negative of first battery with positive of second battery. And we are going to place ground in the middle. so that this create a dual power supply. This will be the positive voltage plus VCC, and this will be the negative voltage, that is minus VCC. Now to connect these terminals with the op amps, we are going to use something called as net label. So to press the net label, press key F4. For VCC, I am going to use label as VCC. Put the same label for the VCCs of the op amp and the battery. Now similarly put the label for VEE, that is minus 15 volt. Now let's change the value of the battery. To do so, again place your cursor at the battery and right click on that. Enter value as 15. Now similarly change the value of input batteries. So this is the condition for our circuit. This is called as a ROM resistor. This is used for minimizing the offset current. The value of this resistor is the total value of parallel combination of these all resistors in the circuit, that is a feedback resistor and the input resistors at the input terminal. Now let's place a label at the output so we will know the output terminal. Now to put a label, press key F4, type out, place it on the output terminal. Now our schematic is complete. To run the schematic, right click on the schematic window and press run. Select the DC operating voltage, click OK, close the window and click on the output terminal. Right click on the output voltage and delete this dollar symbol and select the Vout terminal. Now press OK. Now you can move the component and place it outside. Similarly, place the value at the input terminals. So we can see that the VA value is 5 volt, VB value is 1 volt and VC value is 1 volt, and the output is 7.999, which is approximately equal to 8 volts. So this was scaling of the amplifier. Now let's see the adding and subtracting circuits. Now I have already made the circuit for adder and subtractor. So let's see the circuit of adder. So this is the circuit for adder circuit. Here it is shown that the Vout is equals to V1 plus V2 plus V3. So V1, V2 and V3 are applied to the non-inverting terminal of an op amp so that the output will be in phase with the input and addition of all the input sources. Now again, to run the schematic window, you can right click and press run. Close this window. So as you can see, the input applied at the terminals is 1 volt, 1 volt, 1 volt and the output obtained is 3 volt. Now let's change the value of one of the input source and see if the output varies with it. So as you can see here, the value is changed. Now again run the simulation. Close this window. Now as you can see, the value here is updated and the value of the output is 6.999, which is approximately equals to 7 volts. So this was adder using OP07, that is an operational amplifier. Now let's see the subtractor circuit. Similarly, I have made the circuit for the subtractor. So here we can see that Vout is equals to VB minus VA, where VB is applied to the non-inverting terminal of an op amp and VA is applied to the inverting terminal of an op amp. So again, right click on the schematic and run. Close this window. So you can see that the input applied at the non-inverting terminal is 10 volt and input at the inverting terminal is 5 volt. So the output is 4.999, which is approximately equals to 5 volt. Now again, let's change the value of one of the input. Again run the simulation. Close this window. So now as you can see, the value at the output terminal is minus 4.999, which is equals to minus 5 voltage. So this was simulation of scaling, adding and subtracting circuit using operational amplifier in LTSpice simulation tool. Thank you.